Good afternoon, Lisa here. I have covered 2 small cradled panels with colored gesso as my base. This just happens to be a Sennelier colored gesso. You can find many brands of colored gesso in gorgeous colors like Matisse or Golden and more Sennelier. But covering with a colored gesso gives you something to excavate back down to when we start digging back through the layers of paint that we are going to build. And that way you don't come back to a white ground all the time, but a beautiful color. I am going to paint very intuitively on these 2 pieces today, and so I'm not sure what colors I'll be using. I'm just going to pick some colors that I enjoy, and I will list them later in the video. I am so glad that you all are tuning in with me today. So let's get started building a painting. I have flipped these pieces around so you can see them in the orientation that I was painting them, and I kind of like them. They are fun, very intuitively done. I kind of think they have an abstracted landscape feel about them, and they are pretty wet, but you can see where I dug through with my skewer to show that beautiful color underneath the colored gesso that I used. And it just adds a little something extra. It gives you a little depth. So maybe you want to try using some colored gesso instead of a white gesso and just see how you like it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope that you will do so and click the button to give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. And thanks everyone for joining me in the studio today. Until next time.